Otra vez quedó demostrado quién son los que traen el poder y el mando. Si pensaban que por agarrar al Chapo, al cartel iban a hacer del changarro. No, señores, siguen los chapitos, al igual que padre también ahora el hijo. Se les pela ya teniéndolo en las manos. Hijo de tigre pintado ha demostrado. Culiacán sí que está blindado. La Serena y federales asustados nunca imaginaban dónde se metían. Ahora saben, sigue activa la chapiza. Y estamos al 313, compadre. Puro estilo 45. Se escuchaba gente por los radios advirtiendo a generales de alto mando: si lo sueltas te me vas como si nada, y si no pues ya te cargo a la chingada. Le pusieron con Sansón a las patadas, es así que no se la esperaban. Armas largas, cuernos, granadas tronaban, así mismo al gobierno acorralaban. Buena suerte para la otra camarada. Ahora saben aquí cómo corre el agua. No se puede cometer el mismo error cuando por desgracia cae el señor. O no, señores, siguen los chapitos, al igual que padre también ahora el hijo. Se les pela ya teniéndolo en las manos. Hijo de tigre pintado ha demostrado.
Y así es, viejo, y seguimos. Como Fernando. Yo fui criado en la antigüedad, y al decir de dónde vengo no me agüita. Soy humilde de abolengo, el respeto por mi gente lo mantengo. Los pies firmes en la tierra, no presumo ni pelado y de manguera. Y es mejor comer callado, como es el resultado, como es doble plato. Mi ambición no es el dinero, pero cuando llega no le pongo pero.
Class, Conservative Pickup 2000 through 2019. First place winner in spot number 2432, Brian Villarreal.
So that's it, guys, for this weekend. So we ended up being there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is today. I did record a little bit Friday, not much. I just wanted to go back. I just wanted to relax that day and just check it out the show for myself. Saturday we were there, we were talking to a lot of you guys. If you guys stopped by the booth and said what's up, I appreciate you guys. You know, it was nice talking to you guys. It was nice talking about the truck. You know, you guys love the truck, love the color, love all the work that's done to the truck. So thank you guys so much for the support and appreciation. I'm truly honored and blessed to be able to represent Detroit, Michigan with the truck scene, with my truck in AutoRama, which is one of the biggest shows in Michigan. So that's a really big deal for me. It's truly a blessing. It's really nice. It's a good experience. So it's Sunday. We did drive it out. I did record, so there's probably There was a bunch of cars, but I only mainly recorded the trucks. This is a truck based channel, so that's why we mainly recorded trucks. We do like cars, but this is a truck channel. So with that being said, it is Sunday. It's around 8 o'clock. We ended up driving the truck out of there. I was gonna trailer it, but I literally live like 20 minutes away from downtown. So we ended up winning first place for consecutive pickup from 2000 to 2019. We ended up taking home first place, which is a really amazing deal. You know, it's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for my crew. We are representing hard. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for a bunch of more videos coming out. This is just the beginning of the season, so stay tuned for a lot of shows, for a lot of this mother, a lot of burnouts, a lot of off-road videos as well. So this year is going to be a really good year for all of us. I hope to see all of you guys soon, and stay tuned with our Great Lakes Throwdown page. We will be hosting little meets before the big event, just so we can get to know a lot of you guys. You can guys come out and see what we're all about. So shout out to everybody that helped with the event and that helped with passing out flyers at AutoRama. And if you guys are new subscribers or new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the share, and subscribe for new content every week. But besides that, guys, appreciate you guys for watching, and on to the next video.